Good morning to everyone. Myself Dr. A. Arunakumari, Assistant Professor in Agriculture Economics from Vignan University. Today I would like to present on economic systems. Economic systems. Economic systems. Why I have selected means this is very much useful to production, consumption, exchange and distribution for production of goods and services, production, consumption, exchange and distribution in each and every society. In each and every society. It is also useful to allocation of the resources for the production of goods. Useful to resource allocation for the production of goods and also useful to distribute the resources. Distribute the resources for the production of goods and services. That is why I have selected this topic. What is economic system? It is a set of social institutions. It is set of social institutions deals with production, distribution, consumption of goods and services in each and every society. Economic system means it is a set of social institutions which deals with production, consumption, distribution of goods and services in each and every society. Importance of the economic system. Determining how the business are operate in a particular society. Economic systems are useful to determine how the businesses are going on in society, how the resources are allocated for production of goods and services, how the resources are distributed for the production of goods and services. Importance of the economic system means to determine the how the business is going on in society and resources are allocated, how the resources are allocated for the production of goods and services, how the resources are distributed for the production of goods and services, how the society makes production and consumption decisions, how the society makes production and consumption decisions. I will explain about types of economic systems. Types are classification of economic systems. Those are three types: capitalism, socialism and mixed economy. Those are capitalism, socialism and mixed economy. Otherwise, capitalist economy, socialist economy and mixed economy. I will explain one by one. First one is capitalism. Capitalism means mainly related to private individuals. Mainly related to private individuals. Father of the capitalism is Adam Smith. Father of the capitalism is Adam Smith. Capitalistic economy is also called as market economy or free trade economy. Capitalistic economy is also called as market economy or free trade economy. Features: right to private motive. It is related to private individuals, so it is a right to private motive. Profit motive. Freedom of the choice. Why means this is related to private or individuals, so it has freedom of choice. Market forces. Minimal role of the government. It is mainly related to private individuals or private enterprises. So there is a minimal role of government. Example is US economy. Example is US economy. Next one is socialism. Whereas the capitalism is related to private individuals, socialism is related to public or government or state enterprises. It is related to public or government or state enterprises. All the means of the production owned and operated by the state government. All the means of the production owned and operated by the state government. Production decisions are taken by central planning authority. Production decisions are taken by central planning authority. Socialism is also called as planned economy or command economy. Socialistic economy or socialism is also called as planned economy or command economy. Features of the socialism are social welfare motive, limited right to private motive. It is related to public enterprises. So there is limited right to private motive. Central planning. Last one is mixed economy. It is an economic system which is having the more than one economic system. It is an economic system which is having the more than one economic system. That means two or more economic systems are there. It contains both public enterprises and private individuals. It contains both public enterprises and private individuals. It is a mixed element of communism and socialism. It is a mixed element of communism and socialism. Capitalism and socialism, sorry. Most of the countries fall under this category. Examples are India and Poland. Most of the countries fall under this category. Those are India and Poland. Features of the mixed economy. Resources are owned by public enterprises and private individuals. Resources are owned by public enterprises and private individuals. Private and public sectors exist side by side. Private and public sectors exist side by side. All the basic and heavy industries, other strategic sectors like banking, transport and energy sectors are controlled by government. Those are banking, transport, energy. That means all the basic and heavy industries. Those are banking, transport, energy are controlled by the government. Whereas agriculture, consumer goods and other industries trade are controlled by the private. Others, that is agriculture, consumer goods and other industries trade are controlled by the private. I will summarize the points. Today I have explained about economic system, that is definition of economic system. Next, importance of the economic system. Finally, I have explained about types of the economic systems. Those are capitalism, socialism and mixed economy. Capitalism is mainly related to private individuals. Socialism is mainly related to state government or public enterprises, whereas mixed economy is relates to both public and private organizations. After watching this video, try to solve this quiz also. Define economic system. Define economic system. How many types of economic systems are there? Those are 3.
Keep. Keep and go to. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅక్కడ ಫೈನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು
Define economic system. How many types of economic systems are there?
పెన్ తీసుకో పెన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకో
How many types of economic systems are there? Those are 3 types. Name the types of economic systems. Name the types of economic systems. Who is the father of capitalism? Adam Smith. Who is the father of capitalism? Capitalistic economy is also called as. Capitalistic economy is also called as. Write an example for capitalistic economy. Write an example for capitalist economy. In case of Uchi economy, all the means of production are owned and operated by state. Socialistic economy is also called as Uchi economy. Socialistic economy is also called as Uchi economy. Uchi is the combined element of the capitalism and socialism. Which is the combined element of the capitalism and socialism. Write an example for mixed economy. Write an example for mixed economy. India and Poland. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పారా
చెప్పాను సార్.